Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how you can make your first $100 online. Now before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel because I'll be posting a ton of awesome content and you do not want to miss out on it. So make sure that you're subscribed and let's head straight into it. Now how we're going to get your first $100 online is through affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is basically you get someone to buy a product and you get a commission for it. So it's basically like you were a salesperson, except that you're on the internet and you get so much more reach from it, and there are a ton of things to sell. Most of the big companies have affiliate programs and even smaller ones. So it's very easy to find a product that will suit you. If you want to get into affiliate marketing, which you should, you want to make sure that the product that you're trying to sell, you really like, you enjoy, you use, or something like that. Because if you don't, it's just going to hurt you so much, you're not going to make sales, and you're just a liar in general. So you want to make sure that anything that you promote is really interesting, that you're really 100% enjoying it and not having a second thought in your head that it might not be a good thing to promote it. You really want to make sure that you're promoting it, that you really like it. For example, in the last video I talked about Jack Shepherd's course, and I'm going to use it again. I'm an affiliate for this course, but I would never ever think of promoting it if it was a bad course. I really want to make sure that you guys get the best content and the best of everything that I can tell you. If I don't do this, it's just going to hurt my brand, and this is exactly how you should think of it. So if you're promoting something, make sure that you're really into it. Now this is how most people do affiliate marketing. Most people run ads, get you through a funnel, and so many complicated things like that. You know, it's paid traffic, so you need money in the first place, and you have to be really good at advertising because it's not even your product, so you have to really be good at advertising. You have to understand the funnels, and you have to understand email marketing and so many other things like that. Now this is a very hard way, and I do not like to do things the hard way. So this is how I do affiliate marketing and how you should do affiliate marketing. Now, what I do is I do it through YouTube. You guessed it. This channel has some affiliate links. If you go in the description, there will be some affiliate links. Now, obviously, these are affiliate links that can help you out. I never ever use an affiliate link that I don't use. I know I say this a lot, but this is so important if you want to get into affiliate marketing, to make sure that you really trust the product that you use. You really want to make sure that the product that you're advertising, you really like, enjoy and use, and you think it's very good. Actually, you have to think that it's the best for what it does. So I do it through YouTube. If you have a bigger Instagram account, you can do this through Instagram as well. You can do this with Facebook groups. You can do this with a ton of different things. The big thing is you have to have people that follow you. And you do not need a million people to follow you, but you do need some people. So, what I do with affiliate marketing is using a personal brand. Now, why do I think that a personal brand is the best way to advertise anything, whether it's your Shopify store, affiliate links, any courses you want to put out, anything like that? And the reason this is that people like you, people know you, they trust you, and things like that. If I put out the best content that I can for you, and I point out that something is good, maybe you'll consider buying it. If not, that's okay. I'll just simply keep putting out awesome content for you guys. So what's awesome with that is you can talk about anything that you enjoy. You do not have to do anything that has to do with affiliate marketing or personal branding or Shopify, you know, like I do, like a lot of people do. You can do this through whatever you are passionate about. You can do this if you're into fitness, for example. Make a YouTube channel about fitness, how you do your training, what's your diet, things like that. And there are a ton of affiliate links to do this. And what's awesome about this is you're talking about something that you're passionate about. Because if you're passionate about cooking or fitness or whatever, this will help you because people will trust you. It will go through that you're really, really into what you're talking about. You can do this for cooking, like I said, fitness. If you're doing tech reviews are getting so much affiliate marketing on their channels because if they think that a product is good, they're going to put the affiliate link. They're going to put all the affiliate links that they talked about on their channel in the description, and anyone who clicks on it and buys it, they're going to get a commission for it. And for the end user, it's always a good thing because they're not paying more. In fact, some of the time they're paying less than what if they would go straight to the website. So to the end user, it's also a good thing to have affiliate links. And sometimes it's the same price, but it's never more than the price on the website. So the most important thing for your brand, because you're using your name, you want to put out awesome content. Awesome content is the key to everything. It's the key to growing your channel. It's the key to having people that like you, people that trust you, and things like that. If you're just pushing out people, pushing like affiliate stuff down their throat, they're just not gonna like it. So you make sure that you really, really put out good content all the time, whether you're using an affiliate link or not. It's just like I'm doing right now. If I wasn't giving you out good content all the time, you wouldn't have subscribed to my channel, you wouldn't be watching this channel up till now, you just wouldn't like it. So be sure to put out awesome content all the time, whether it's on your blog, your Facebook group, anything like that. You want to make sure that you're putting out great content. Now you have to keep in mind that you do not have to be Kylie Jenner or Logan Paul to make money off affiliate marketing. You know, these people that have 1 million subscribers, yes, they are making a killing out of affiliate stuff or their own products or whatever, but there are people that have 1,000 subscribers or even less than that. Some people have like 800 subscribers on YouTube and they're making $10,000 off of their personal brand. So you want to make sure that you do not get trapped into the idea that you have to have millions and millions of followers to make some money off affiliate marketing, because it is not true. You can make money even if you have a small YouTube channel. Now, the biggest issue with this, with building your personal brand, is that most people do not know how to do it. And I have tried at the beginning, and then I got Jack Shepherd's course, and he is a personal branding expert. He has a course that's currently $497, so it's a steal. Right now it is really a steal to get. So I would highly suggest that you get his course, because it's like it has doubled my subscribers and my views on my channel since I've taken that course. So yes, again, this is an affiliate link, but just like I said, I really believe that this is the best course ever if you're into personal branding. Like, it's gonna go up in price because like it's just so good. He said that before, that it's going up in price. So if you can get it now at $497, like, do that right now. Now the next thing is, I'm launching my Facebook group. So you really want to get into it because it's 100% free, just free value, just people like you and me talking about things, helping out each other, and it's just going to be awesome. So make sure that you get that in. I'll try and put it in the description if I get it on in time, which I should. So make sure you get into that. I hope you found a ton of value in this video, and you want to make sure that you're subscribed, because I'll be posting a ton of videos all the time, and you want to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Let me know what you think of this video in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.